Hey, welcome everybody to the Gambling Gardeners. Today we're going to do a little maintenance around the old garden area. We got this chicken coop here that's had kind of a blowout in the bottom. They have this aluminum tray that sits in the bottom, and it's rotted out. It's I don't think it's a very good design, but I guess if you were coming out here on a regular, pulling this tray out and cleaning it, it takes quite a bit to keep up with it. You'd have to be coming out here every couple of days to clean this thing. So what's happened is it's rusted out. So what I'm gonna do today is I got some 2x8s left over from building our bed. I'm gonna go ahead and cut those down, stick them in this here, and we'll have a wood bottom. And so when Rana cleans it, she just pulls everything out. So there's no real need for the tray. Like I said, I guess if you were doing this on the regular, you'd probably, the tray would be fine, but so much stuff gets on it. By the time you pull it out, it just dumps down in the bottom anyways. So let's go ahead and get this started. I'm gonna take a couple measurements and we'll get going. So like I said, I'm gonna replace this floor in here with some 2x8. So I'm just gonna pull a measurement from front to back. See what we have here. Looks like we got 37.5. We'll go ahead, and this is roughly 31.5 wide. Like I said, we got 2x8s. So I'll go ahead and cut those 3 2x8s for in here. And they're less than 8 inches. So they'll fit in here perfect at this dimension. So let's go ahead and get them cut, and then we'll bring them back. And my intention is to go ahead and screw them into this piece of wood here to keep them from falling down, or who knows, I might just set them in there. But let's go ahead and go cut these boards. You can see the hole in there. One chicken sure had a rude awakening early in the morning when they jumped off their perch and went through that hole. But yeah, so we're gonna try to stop that from happening again. So I cut these 2x8s down to my 37.5 inches. This is pressure treated. Like I said, I'm just gonna stick it in here on top of this tray. All right, let's put this last board in, see how she fits. Oh man, like a glove. Oh, there's some kind of... And there we go, like new. Gives them a nice solid surface we don't have to worry about. All right, we got our floor all replaced, and hopefully they'll keep producing these wonderful eggs in appreciation for this new floor. They won't fall through it anymore. But we appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. We really enjoy reading your comments. It lets us know that you're paying attention to what we're putting out. So that's really good for us, and it helps us maybe improve our content and give you guys videos that you want. And remember, take care of each other and come grow with us.